A fabricated newspaper cutting has been circulated falsely claiming Congress prioritizes Muslim races over Hindu races and alleging divisive statements made by party leaders. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has clarified that these claims are baseless and part of a deliberate attempt by supporters of the BJP-JDS alliance to sow discord and manipulate public opinion. Siddaramaiah has taken swift action by lodging a complaint with the police, providing evidence of the orchestrated disinformation campaign. He emphasizes the need for caution when encountering such fake news and urges people not to propagate misinformation. Siddaramaiah condemns the unethical tactics employed by political opponents, stating that resorting to fake news to sway elections reflects their lack of integrity and moral bankruptcy. He pledges to use legal channels to identify and hold accountable those responsible for creating and disseminating fake news, aiming to deter future instances of such malicious misinformation campaigns.